In this video we'll have a look at this vintage Astro Wars video game from the 80s. Grandstand, this is the brand name. I think it comes under different names as well. Made in Japan. It says here copyright 1981. Runs on 4 C-cell batteries. Here we have some information. Universal mains adapter, negative polarity. Well, I'm not gonna use the AC adapter, neither nor the batteries. I'm gonna use power supply. We have a joystick with only 2 directions, left and right, start, select buttons, and the on-off switch, and a fire button. It uses a vacuum fluorescent display, VFD, I believe. Could be LED, but I don't think LEDs were popular in the 80s. So I bought this from Iraq, very cheap. I think it's like less than $1. So let's turn it on and see if it works. Alright, it works. Very nice. Let me dim the room so it will be easy to see. Okay, the room is dim now, and I put it on a stand so it will be easier not to disturb the wires. Alright. Not sure if it's clear on the screen or not. Press the start button. And that's me. It's very fun. It's hard to capture. It looks blurry, but in real life it's very clear. Okay, enough for that. Let's take it apart and see what's inside. Okay, all the screws are out, but still cannot open it for some reason. Okay. Yes, we have a VFD display, and we have a colored film on top of it to give us different colors. This is the buttons and the joystick. This is the piezo speaker, the buzzer, and the main brain is behind this plastic piece. That's the main chip, the processor, under this foam. I remember I had one of these when I was little. Not very little, but like in the 90s maybe, or late 80s, and the one that I had was faulty. I remember this transformer was broken, and I didn't have any soldering iron or any skills at that time, so I never got to play it. Let's turn it on now and see how it looks without the filter. We need the switch. It is color, so in theory we don't need these. They just give us extra colors. I will give it a good clean, then put it back together. Here we have a lens, and behind it we have the overlay, the planets overlay. I cleaned it as much as I can, but unfortunately I cannot remove these scratches. They are too deep. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and write a comment.